Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that might be frustrating you if you own a Kenmore Elite dryer from 2025, the dreaded D90 error code. If you've seen this code flashing on your dryer's display, don't panic. We're here to break it down step by step so you can get your dryer up and running again quickly. First off, what exactly is the D90 error? In Kenmore Elite models, this code usually points to a problem with the dryer's moisture sensor or a potential overheating issue. It could mean the sensor isn't detecting moisture levels correctly, which might prevent the dryer from starting or cause it to shut off unexpectedly. This is a safety feature designed to avoid risks like fires, so it's important not to ignore it. Now, let's talk about possible causes. The most common culprits include lint buildup in the vent or sensor, a faulty moisture sensor, or even issues with the dryer's thermostat. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate, leading to inaccurate readings. If your dryer has been running in a hot environment or hasn't been cleaned recently, that could be triggering this error. Alright, time for some hands-on troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your dryer and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. Once it's off, check the lint filter and exhaust vent for any blockages, clean them thoroughly. Next, inspect the moisture sensor, usually located inside the drum, for any visible dirt or damage. If you're comfortable, you can use a multimeter to test the sensor's continuity, but if not, skip this step. If these basic checks don't resolve the issue, it might be time to look at more advanced fixes, like replacing the sensor or thermostat. Always refer to your user manual for specific instructions, and remember to prioritize safety. Never work on an electrical appliance while it's plugged in. In summary, the D90 error is often fixable with simple maintenance, but if the problem persists, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid any risks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and happy drying.